Hello beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube, please do not hesitate by hitting the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. Guys, in today's video I'm about to do a graduation nails, and this nails came out so pretty, and it was a Stilleto shape. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just shaping the nails. I'm just gonna shape the nails. I had to do this on camera so that you guys will see how I do my stiletto shape. Guys, you know I really don't know how to say that word. I don't like saying it because I don't want to murder the name, okay? So guys, I'm just shaping it. After shaping it, I'll use my sanding bands to take out the shine from the nails. You have to do this so that when you apply your when you apply your polygel, it sticks right to the nails, okay?
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So guys, I have my Mia Secret Nail Primer. I'm going to apply the nail prep first, and then I'll go in with the extra bond, okay? Whenever you apply this, you don't cure it. It's when we apply your base coat, then you can cure it for 60 seconds. So I have my base coat. That's my Makartt base coat. I'm going to apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
I move on each and every day. The past.
So guys, I'm using my Makartt Siesta Nude. That's a nude polygel. This polygel is really nice. It's a little bit pricey, but don't worry, when you go on Amazon you can actually get it. Sometimes they do sales, you can get them from their website, okay? So I'm just going to use this nude. This nude is very nice. So I'm going to apply it from the cuticle, not up to the cuticle area, before the cuticle areas of the nails. I'll apply it, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. When I mean curing for 60 seconds, guys, I mean having a UV lamp, applying your polygel, and then putting your nails in the UV lamp and let it sit there for 60 seconds.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Magic, believe change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So guys, I am done applying the first layer to the nails. So right now I'm going to apply the second layer, which is the second beat. I call it beat. I think that's what everybody calls it. So I'm going to apply it on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. Guys, I am so happy. I am grateful for you for subscribing to my channel. Okay, please always like my videos, watch my videos, and also share my videos. Okay, when you watch my video, click on the like button, comment so that I'll know if I'm doing a great job. It's not easy to put out this content, okay? Please support your girl. Let's grow this channel. We are growing. I appreciate you guys, okay? Let's give a warm welcome to our old subscribers. Yes, you guys deserve a warm welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back to always watch my content, okay? I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for sharing my videos. So right now I'm done applying the second layer. I cured it for 60 seconds like we always do, and right now I'm using my rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of the nails. Okay, you always do this so that when you start filing, it doesn't damage your hand file. So you can also use your sleep solution to clean the surface of the nails. Both work the same. I'm just going to carefully file the nails, and after filing it, I'll go with my cuticle drill bit to walk around the cuticle areas of all the nails.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, that's my cuticle drill bit. I'm just gonna use it to walk around the cuticle areas of all the nails, just to make sure I level the cuticle areas. When you do this, it makes your nails last longer and it prevents lifting. Okay, and whenever you are doing this, please be very careful so that you don't cut through the person's skin. So that's my e-file. I'm just gonna use it to work to file the surface of the nails, just to make sure that my nails are leveled up and just to have a smooth finish. Okay, so guys, if you have any question at all you want to ask me, because people they send me some comments about the product that I use, where I get them from. I usually put all the stuff in the description box, but if you can't find it there, just put it down in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Okay, but most of my stuff are from Amazon. Like I said before, I just order it and it just it literally comes the next day. Okay,
Through a lot of pain, some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where.
so guys, I'm gonna go with my sanding bands. That's my Makartt sanding band. I also got it on Amazon. This sanding band is really good, so I recommend it if you want it. Okay, so I'm just gonna use it to file the surface of the nails. When I do this, it gives my nails the perfect finishing. If you don't do it, guys, give it a try. You will come back to thank me in the comment section. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it on all the nails. After doing it, I will use my buffer and buff it. After buffing it, I'll ask my client to go wash her nails in the bathroom. I used to clean it with rubbing alcohol after the buffing, but I decided to start washing the nails. So I prefer them wash their nails and then come back. We'll do whatever design we want to do. So that's my matte. I forgot the name because I have a lot, so I just pick one from the shelf. But that's my matte. I'm just gonna apply it on the nails. This is what I do now if I want to draw any design. Instead of me applying my maybe glossy top coat, I just apply my matte top coat and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So that's my gel nail polish. That's a blue color. It's a baby blue, so that's what she wants. It's just a simple design. I'm just gonna draw the design. You guys are gonna see it's like a round shape or something. I don't know what shape. I don't know what shape to call that, but the nails came out so pretty. Okay.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
So guys, after applying the first layer to the nails and drawing it, as you guys can see, it's like a blue French tip. So that's what it is, okay? So I'm just applying the second layer to the nails. After applying it, I cured it. The first layer, I cured it. I'm sorry I didn't say it. After applying the first layer, I cured it for 60 seconds, and then now I went in with the second layer of the gel, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. Guys, I'm laughing at myself because I did the nails and I don't know what design it was, okay? So that's my blue gel liner. She wanted to add a blue gel liner to it just to bring out the baby blue. So we added the same way, but it was just like a what's it called? It was just like a tip to the nails. So then I cured it for 60 seconds. Guys, doing a voiceover is not easy. Oh my god, this is one of the biggest problem that I have in creating my content. I hate voiceover. I prefer to do it when I'm doing the nails, but with the area that I live in, I can't do it. You get? I cannot do like a live video because the noise is gonna definitely come through my video. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. Right now it's 1 a.m. in the morning, and I am doing this voiceover just to at least get a lesser noise. So guys, bear with me. Don't worry, I'll get used to it. Maybe when I move out, I'll start doing just like a live video for you guys to see, okay? So after drawing the lines, the blue lines, I went in with my top coat. After applying the top coat, I cured it for 60 seconds, and we're still gonna have apply gold. Sorry guys, we're gonna apply gold to the nails. So just watch and enjoy this video. And if you have watched to this point, you have not subscribed, hey, why are you guys not subscribing? I get more views than my subscribers. Please guys, hit the subscribe button when you know the video or the content makes sense. If you know you gain anything or you understood anything from the video, please just hit the subscribe button. You're not gonna get charged for it, okay? Support your girl. It's not easy to put out this content. I said it before, it's not easy, okay? Please subscribe, turn on post notification bell after subscribing, like, comment, so that I'll know if I'm doing a great job, okay? Please do this for me. Keep subscribing, keep sharing my video, and I will appreciate you guys every time, okay? So guys, I'm applying my top coat and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So that's my cuticle oil. I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails so that it takes out all the ashiness from the nails. After this, you guys are gonna see the beautiful look of these nails. This is how the nails came out. It came out so pretty. This is a graduation nails. You can actually use it for anything, but she was graduating and then she decided to do these nails, okay, to match her outfit. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and understood this tutorial. If you do, please like, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Please subscribe, okay? Bye-bye.
Push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through